Good morning, class 8. How are you guys doing? I guess you all are doing great and fine. So, exams are also coming and things are also getting better. I'm talking about this COVID or Corona, whatever this is. I actually, 6 months have passed, I don't know, just like that. And I thank God that we all are safe and keeping good and happy. So, today we are back with English again, so that part is done. The astrologist day is done, and I hope you're going to attempt the question answers and do it. Keep it ready after your exams. So next week is your exams on Monday. It's starting. So you must have got the app on your mobile or the group which you have to download, and then you have to enter. You will be getting an access code every day. An access code which you will be there will be a timing for your exams. At that time you have to go into that app. It will say that take your test, so when you click on take your test, that access code part will come. You have to put in that access code. When you put in that access code, the paper opens, timing starts, and after 40 minutes it will lock down, it will close down, it will not open anymore. Again the next day, again you will get another access code for which, or you might get all the access codes together for all the examinations, and per day each wise you have to, at that time the access code is going to open. Okay, and for opening the access code, you have to register. That's with your name and your school name, whatever name is given, and your parents name if it's needed there in the slot down. And then your username will be your email id, your password will be your mobile number. So do it that way, that will be much more better, so that we get to know which children are there and all that list is there. Anyways, that's later. So let's come to the bridge builder. What is actually building a bridge means? Bridge can be between anywhere, between my, two beds, two walls, between a road, between a broken road, between a river, between the sky, to join two places together, join two hills together. Bridge, building bridges. What does it do? It joins together. It makes a path to go forward. It's said in English sometimes that burn your bridges. Cross the bridge and burn it. Don't look back into your past. Burn it so that no one else can come after you. Your past does not haunt you. Go and forget about the past. Just keep moving forward. That's called burning the bridges. Don't come back. If you want to go, you go. That's what I did in life. I just came out from my world and I'm into another world, and I don't look back. I just don't want to go back. That's what I do in my life. Whatever is gone. I don't worry. I don't regret. There's nothing in regret. If I regret, I can't get back yesterday, back to my place. Can I get yesterday back to me? 2 days in a week you cannot do anything. That is tomorrow and yesterday. So bridges, it's not about just, oh my God, this is class 7, right? Oh my God, again that part has come. Sorry, we will not go to that part, that question answer part. There are many type of bridges to be built. There's a cantilever bridge, there's a cable stayed bridge. Cable stayed bridge is our new Howrah bridge, which is pulled by cables. A cantilever bridge is our Howrah bridge, the old Howrah bridge. Then we have the suspension bridge. Then we have an arch bridge. You see these pictures in your book. What are the other type of bridges which I said just now? What are the other type of bridges that we have in life that we go ahead and try to build? We build a bridge between our friends, a friendship bridge. We have a fight with a group or families, relatives. We try to again build up that bridge. Someone goes and builds that bridge to make everything normal again. Right? So here this poem is written by Will Allen Dromgoole. a famous author and poet. In this, a person is building a bridges for the future generation. This poem was first published in 1900 called A Builder. And this poem actually tries to tell us something about an unselfish and caring attributes of an old man who tries to save the upcoming generation from obstacles which he has faced. It also goes back and looks into the traces, the connection between the young and old generation. Building something means I'm caring for somebody, right? I'm trying to make something better. I care. I have confidence that this bridge won't break. Right? I have that in mind. That will not happen. His poems have a moral lesson. It's rather used as a moral lesson, not as a question answer part. Class 7, I will always tell you about question answer. This is all about, the main themes of this piece are of hard work, perseverance, confidence, generosity. Through the text of the full poem, we come to know the poem is trying to promote working for the future and for the betterment of those around you. Right? What can we do to do something good for other people? Why has Chauhan sir built a school here in Kanpur? He could have built one school in Muzaffarpur. He is also trying to build a bridge, this connection gap between Kamtol and Muzaffarpur or Patna or whatever. This is a gap. He is trying to build a bridge so that this generation here can get in touch with this generation. I don't know, some people or I just love this plan which sir has been doing from the past so many years. He was in England. Why did he come back from England? He shouldn't have come back. He could have stayed there. One of the first worlds, England, and he could have stayed there, and one of the best countries in the world to live and work. Why did he come back here and face so much of problems? But no, he has this care for this generation. He's trying to build a generation, getting you all in touch with the actual things. Why does he say so much to speak in English? Someday you might go to England, someday you might go to America, someday you might go to Mexico, you might go to Japan, you might go to anywhere in the world where our native language won't speak. You might learn Spanish, you might learn French. French is like Hindi, French is a world language. If you know French, most of the people around the world know French. Like Hindi is the national language, French is a world language. A language which everyone wants to learn, and it is used everywhere. And English is all over the world. Wherever you go, people understand that language. If you come to Kolkata, you might not understand Bengali, right? You won't understand it the first time. I won't understand your Bhojpuri. I won't understand the Bihari, the remote area village languages, the type of tone or the way they speak, the words they use. I won't know. But there is a fundamental language which everybody understands. Right? So, he's building a bridge of connection for the generation, for the new generations to come, to provide. He cares for it. Yes, everyone has got a concern, an interest of doing something. That is something different. but he could have done a lot of things. He could have done some other business, he could have done something else, whatever. So I'll come back in the next video.